I'm Alex Brown, and I'm one of DTSI Software's marketing representatives. I'm going to be demonstrating the process of creating work groups and work orders. Now, work group is used to separate work performed for a specific client and is usually assigned to specific users. One user, however, can be assigned to multiple work groups. Now, work order is a contract that you would have with a client for a property. So first you want to make sure that your property is entered into FieldVision. And then you can add your work groups and orders in any sequence that you like. For my demonstration, I'm going to add the work group first. So from the main menu page, you'll tap on work groups and you'll see all of the ones that you already have created. Tap on the plus sign in the upper right hand corner and you'll just fill out the fields. For work group name, I will name mine Test 1. There is an optional description box. If you already have your work orders created, you will assign them to this work group in this field here. And then to assign specific users to your work group, you will tap on the users field and you have all your names in the fields below. Tap submit and your new work group is created. Now, to create a new work order, you're going to go back to the main menu page and tap on Work Orders. Tap on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll just fill out all the fields as promptly. Work order name, mine will be Test 1. There is a customer order number if it needs to be specific for a client. If you have multiple companies in your FieldVision, you can assign your companies in this field. Next, you will assign what property that this work order goes to. Service category is going to be the specific category if you have multiple assigned in FieldVision. Work order status. You have a couple options that you can always re-edit your work order to be from open, pending, completed, closed, or expired. Work group, you'll assign your specific work order to the work group, like the one we just created. Now, a great feature that FieldVision has to offer is an effective date and an expiration date. Possibly if this is just a seasonal task, a expiration date and time are required to be able to completely fill out the new work order process. Work order type is going to be how many times you will perform this service, whether it's one time, weekly, monthly, as needed, or it's a non-billable service. You can assign how many photos that are required for your crew to be able to check in and check out. Another great feature is the optional check-in message and check-out message. This can be used if there's additional paperwork before your crew leaves the property that they need to fill out. You can remind them as they're checking out of FieldVision. Or if something needs to be done, this is where you can add that so your crew can see it when they're in the work order. And then there is a media file. This option is optional, and this is where you can add photos or videos for your crew that they'll be able to see out in the field. Now, the notify when updated box, that is for the org admin to get notifications of when someone edits or adds the work orders. Once all your fields are complete, tap on submit, and it's going to add your new work order. Thank you for watching, and to see other features and functions that FieldVision has to offer, please tune in to our FieldVision by DTSI YouTube channel